Okay, so assuming that you're done solving the problem. So, question, why is it mass is removed from the entire equation? So again, a motorcyclist is trying to leap across the canyon by driving horizontally off a cliff 38.0 meter per second. So, ignoring air resistance, find the speed with which the cycle strikes the ground on the other side. So, we're looking for the final velocity or the speed. Using this equation, E sub f is equal to E sub 0. So, it is just the same as E sub 2 is equal to E sub 1. So, we know that the equation for our mechanical energy is simply kinetic energy plus potential energy. So, assuming that you know that the equation for KE is equal to 1 half times mass velocity squared, and for potential energy, we have mass times gravity times height. Hence, we have this equation. So, we simply what? We simply use this equation to interpret that we have two mechanical energies, the initial and the final one. So, why M or mass is removed? Because in this equation, it is removed for you to derive in this equation and to get this answer. So, this is the answer. Because mass appears in every term, like this one, di ba lagi nandito may mass? Mass. Compared to your gravity and height that did not appear in every term, you can divide the whole equation by mass to simplify. That's why we remove or elicit the variable mass. Kaya wala na siya. Kaya meron tayong ganitong equation. Gets yon? Okay. Analogy. So, both have the same mass. Di mo nagbago, di ba? Yung motorcycle na ginamit natin, di ba? Hindi naman eh. Ang nagbago doon yung speed and the height. But the mass will remain the same. Okay? So you're only interested in how fast or getting the final speed, how fast they land, not how heavy they are. Since mass affects both sides equally, it cancels out. Okay? So I hope you understand that concept because in physics, some concepts like this, although it's not stated in the entire problem, kasi kung titignan nyo, wala namang mas nakalagay dun eh. 'Di ba? Bakit biglang na-cancel? Saan napunta 'yun? Eh part ng equation 'yun. You need to analyze, 'di ba? Aside from being observant dun sa mga variables and the mga values na binibigay, you need to focus minsan dun sa diagram, sa picture or sa image provided. If not, dun man lang sa statement. And analyze bakit nawawala yung mass. If ganun ulit mangyari, for example sa exam, at least alam nyo na gagawin. Since all the terms ay merong mass, you can simply remove it if hindi nagbago. Okay? So, thank you guys and God bless.